Well, go on people, welcome back to the channel. It is so good to have you here, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay and hopefully click that subscribe button if you are going to like my content so far. So in today's video, I am going to be testing this Magnolia Bakery famous banana pudding that they have released on their website, which in time past was a secret to the public according to others familiar with this bakery. Anywho, I took this recipe from another YouTuber since I was having difficulty retrieving it from their website. I'll link her channel down below. So basically, this recipe consists of vanilla pudding mix mixed with a cream that has a fat content of 35% or more, such as whipping cream layered with bananas and the infamous Nilla wafers or biscuits. So if you don't know what a banana pudding is, now you'll know, especially if you keep on watching. So watch me attempt to make this. Now let's get this show on the, you know it, road.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
way, this probably smell good or something. I chop my dog. Renee! Caroni! Caroni! You want some brown? Huh? Oh, look at that. It looks good. Okay guys, so sorry to come looking like this, but I just had to do a little taste testing since I'm concerned about the look. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a little taste testing of this banana pudding. Pudding. I'm a dog one taste. So don't know if you can see that. I taste it already, but I don't taste this batch. I had a little leftover which I couldn't wait to taste, but they said it tastes better when you leave it like overnight, and the fridge part not working, so I left it in the freezer. Hey, so my darling, so basically I left it in the freezer and take it out recently and just scoop it up ready to go, if I'm making any sense. So it's better left overnight so it can marinate, or probably, you know, the biscuit gets softer, everything just comes together. Enough rambling. The biscuits are actually soft. Yeah? Yeah, can one spoon come to taste it? Yeah. You're gonna love it. Watch out them on. If you think mango got taste. Like the banana brings out the flavor, not too sweet, you know, a bit sweet, not too sweet. Let mom taste it right now. Come on.
I would like to sit with me.
Yeah.
I just want to eat this.
Just eat it. Put on a spoon and the thing, man, and take out a good ham. Oh, you see it, sir?
What is it?
Banana pudding.
The fish is very clean though.
Which kind?
I can see everything clean. What's in there?
Man, it's creamy and nice, huh?
Yeah, it was. They are cornflakes.
Cornflakes? That's the taste you get, cornflakes?
Yeah.
Cornflakes so sweet. And
What
it's
does it taste like? Come on, I know what.
wow. Banana in there, no, you taste the banana and the whipped cream.
Are you full of that now?
I know, but some. Oh, you want some?
No, just take your time, bitch.
And just scoop it up in this. So, guys, in conclusion, this is very tasty, and I'll probably do it again. But the thing is, the banana, you know that banana has a period of shelf life. Once it's peeled, you start to have it, so you have to, you know, eat it up very quickly. So which is why when you're doing this, do the required amount for whoever you're catering for. If you have like 3-5 persons in your amount, you either cut the recipe in half or you do the whole recipe. I cut it in half and it's so much less, so I probably should cut it in half again to get it, so I won't have to waste enough of it. But it's good, you know, when you don't have ice cream. Come bro, don't long him wait for something for you. I didn't even have patience to run guy. Come bro, come bro. Try to make him taste it though. Not a whole lot, just like a smudge. He loves these. He loves the biscuits and I'm like, come bro. Stop that. Ooh, lovely. See, someone's on the biscuit I did. Run guy with it. So since, yeah, what I was just saying before, I love it. Very tasty. First time having this Mongolian banana pudding type of dessert, but it's something very new and good to try, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It's not gonna make much sense since I'm asting this to do something. So until next time, bye. Bye guys. Come back again. Brunei, come back again with second. Guys, we are my dog. Love it. He just can't stop follow me. For now, we don't have anything. Jeez. And you trying to follow me, so you know, unless me have something really sweet in my chair. And someone see my cup. What you think of that? Now make a run around. But the other little more, man, not gonna catch that. Run! Run! Go, Bruni! I don't have nothing more, okay? Run! And stop me for peace sake. Run! I don't have nothing more for you. You want a snack? You see? Must spoil you a bit too much, you know. That's your problem, eh? Yeah? Arr! Oh, it's so wet. Something catch fire. I'm gonna wash my hands, guys, so you know. We need a job. Oh, Bruni. Say bye to the people. No more banana pudding for you. Run. Go on. Go on, bro. Bye. 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 Bye, guys. Hey, same PSD.